I'm going to give some quick tutorial on how to generate videos using Google Gemini. For that, just go to Google AI Studio, search for AI Studio in Google, and go to the link you see here. Open a new tab, and for the first time it gives some on the home page some details. Build with the latest models from Google DeepMind. Get your API key and integrate powerful AI capabilities. But you don't need a paid subscription for the example I'm going to give you. Just need to sign into the Google AI Studio. For that, you need a Google account. Hopefully, you must have created a Google account. So I'm going to type my email here. So I'm logging in. So here we go, the home page of the AI Studio. The first time you might be seeing some kind of pop-up like this. By the way, I'm using the desktop computer and the browser is Chrome. So you don't need to do anything on the pop-up, you just need to close it. Okay, so in the Google AI Studio in the left panel you can see a number of options: chat, stream, generate media, build, history, and all. And click on the generate media, and on the this screen you see Imagen. This is for the text to image, Gemini speech generation, L'Oreal real time, Veo, Gemini image generations. So there's a number of options. For our purpose we'll be using the Veo. Veo is their Google Gemini's text to video generation model. Click on that. As I explained, this is a free tier. It comes with a number of limitations. You cannot have unlimited video generation here. You sometimes it doesn't work because of the high traffic, or they restrict based on the quota. So here is the screen to create the video using AI Studio from Google. So here what you need to type. Okay, before we enter our text or prompt, we need to provide the access, allow access to our drive to save our video, because this is a free tier. So Google doesn't want to spend another storage for your generated free generated videos, because it ultimately use your Google Drive to store video. So you just need to allow access, and it will show a pop-up. You just need to click on the username and the email tab, like here. Click on that. That's it. And here you can type your prompt, in fact the text which is required for generating the video. So I'm going to type a text like cute chick is playing with a kitten. Let's see how it will show the results. Click on that. So You see, failed to generate video, quota exceeded. I never used this one, but still it says quota exceeded due to high demand. Vio is currently at capacity. Please try again in a few moments. But if you see this kind of message, you just need to try it again one more time, or again you try until you get the results. You see, it's generating. So this method might not work all the time, because they, after creation of some 2 or 3 videos, they might restrict you to for the generation of the videos again. So because it's ultimately a free tier, even for the premium, that pro subscription, you can generate only 3 videos per day. So you should be um, you should be knowing like how Google restrict for the free tier. So the video is getting generated. This free tier, there are many limitations. You can't have a audio, sorry about that. And I think like I meant chick as a chicken, a baby chicken, but I don't know. It was created with a girl, lady. Okay, this is a video. Okay, it is pretty good, but let me try another prompt. Uh, a puppy is running and playing with a baby. I just want to mention human baby. In fact, in order to understand. Okay, let's see how it works. It will again show that message. I guess this time we didn't get the message. Okay, so you can on the right side you can adjust number of settings like the which model, but right now for the free tier you will get only the VO2 with this particular model given in the given below. In the aspect ratio you can select either the landscape or the portrait mode, and the video duration. But frame rate for the free tier you cannot select right now as of July 4th 2025. Resolution also has restriction. You can create the videos only 720 pixel, kind of not a full HD. Okay, our video generation is taking time. It's almost 1 minute now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I think like it is ready by now. Alright, puppy is running and playing with a baby. That's our script. Let's see. Okay, it's a puppy is playing and playing. In fact, it is not running, but it's okay. It's very cute. Okay, this is how you can create a video with Google AI Studio free tier. Uh, I'm I'm not pretty sure about when Google will provide uh, many other features which is right now enabled, but for now, as of today, you can use this feature. And whenever you get a message like the pop-up, as we were seeing, you can click it again. You don't need to close. You don't need to think like it's already over and you cannot access it. But instead, like you can try it again and see if we can generate the video. All right. Thank you. Thanks for watching.